Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Deez. This is my workshop. I wasn't going to do a video on this just because it's not my product. It's just something I bought. But I thought after the last video that he posted, I thought I'm going to go ahead and just do a video on my assessment of this. I really haven't gotten to use it. I haven't gotten any advanced projects yet. But what I'm talking about is the fixture plate that Joe Pye sells from Advanced Innovations. I'll post a link to the video that he posted about how the different uses on this thing are, and I'll also post a link to Advanced Innovations website where you can buy one whenever they become available. It's a really nicely machined little kit for setting up parts. I'm not going to profess to be an expert on this. Watch Joe Pye's videos if you want to know how to use this stuff. He's just full of knowledge. He puts a lot of great videos out there. I've been watching more and more of his stuff, especially around a mill, learning techniques and tips and tricks. So he's the one that knows what's going on. I don't know what's going on. I'm just learning and enjoying going through it. But I thought since he posted this last video that showed several creative ways that you can use this fixture plate, how you can mount up different heights and round stock and everything, he had a really cool tip that he made. He made some button stops or button mounting accessories for his fixture plate, and I thought, you know what, that's a pretty cool addition to add to my fixture plate kit. And so not only will I have the clamps, but I can have the button stops, and again, he outlines that stuff on his video how you can use it. But you can square up stock, and it's really for repeatability on working on different parts. You can use these little fixture plates for round stock, odd shaped materials, all kinds of stuff. But I thought he made some cool button stops. That's something I want to make for my kit. So that's why I'm doing a video on this, because it's going to give me a chance to work with the lathe and an end mill and try to recreate a few. You know, I want to make 4, maybe 6, just because I'm making them button style stops. Now I do need to get some shorter 1032 screws. I don't have those. He actually sells these in millimeters or fractional measurements. I got the 1032 fractional. At any rate, what I'm going to do is try to make some of those button stops. I thought about making out of 3/4 inch. I'm going to make mine out of aluminum. I do have some brass, but I'm going to go with aluminum in case I mess it up and I don't waste any of my precious brass. But I think 3/4 is just way too big. Now I could turn it down, but I'm going to start by trying to make this with 1/2 inch. So the 1/2 inch rod, I like that size for these stops. What I plan on doing is mounting this up in the lathe, turning it down, and then I'm going to drill with my new Chicago Latrobe drill bits. I'm going to drill in as far as I can go, and then after I'm going to face this off first, but then I'm going to put my recess in there, which will be 8 millimeters, because I have some millimeter end mills. And I'm going to try mounting an end mill in my tailstock, and that will give me my recess. So after I get my drill hole drilled, then I'm going to put my end mill in the tailstock, and then I'm just going to put my recess for the cap head screw. So this is going to be lathe work video, but ultimately we're going to make some accessories for the fixture plate. We're going to go 190 thou depth to encapsulate the cap head screw. So let's get the first one done and see what happens. I need to check one more thing, make sure that the hole is going to work with my screw. And it does. Perfect. 3/16. Alright, that hole needs to go deeper. It's only about halfway there. One down. All right, welcome back. After all that video, I got my buttons made. I only made 4 of them. I don't think I'll need more than that. So there they are. Made them out of aluminum. If I ever made them again, I would make the dimensions a little different. There's not a lot of meat on the bottom of these. It'll be fine for what they are. But the idea now is I've got these button stops that you can screw in however you need. So what's their use? Well, let's see if we put a few in here. Let me speed through this. I don't have any shorter screws, but the idea is to get those in there, screw them down, let me grab a Allen wrench. Go. There's one. Let's get a couple more of these in here. 2. And obviously I need to get some shorter screws, but for now, show you why you would, if you watch Joe Pye's video, you already know why, but so that one, and let's put a third over here. Maybe. All right. Obviously these are too long, but let's get these in. So let's say you need to mount something and you want to be able to repeat it. Well, now you've got these stops. So when you're in your vise, you always can repeat. That's too big really for you to see, but you know, if you put something like this up here, or you know, you've got your stops. And if I put this one here, then you'd see a little bit easier. Let's throw one more in there. Get another screw out. So now if you want to repeat, you can see, you can always repeat your part. Or if you have a round bar, whatever you're working on, however you're going to clamp it, you can always repeat back to where you were. Or if you've got some round shaped object, you know. Anyway, I thought they were a really cool add-on to the kit for this thing, and I thought, you know, I'm going to make a few of those. I was going to make 8, but I thought that's plenty. 4 is plenty for this. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. I just wanted to show you a close-up shot of these button stops. Well, everybody, that is the button stops made, finished, and now you can see what this fixture plate's about. Again, I'm not here to sell any of these fixture plates. I'm just here to share the accessories that I made for it, which are these button stops, and they are not my idea. Credit goes completely to Joe Pye. It's his idea. He was just showing what else you can do with this, and I thought those are easy enough to make, and I could see those being very handy with this fixture plate. So I'm going to add those to my kit. I'm going to get some shorter 1032 screws just to go with this. But if you're interested, I'll have the links to this fixture plate at Advanced Innovations and Joe Pye's video where he describes this, just because he deserves the credit for that. And he made a really wonderful product. But again, these are just some additional accessories, things that you can make for these fixture plates. It's pretty cool, pretty handy. Simple little buttons. out of here. There you go. I hope you enjoyed. This is a fun little project. If you've got a fixture plate, consider making some button stops. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you on the next one.